Hey guys, I saw many of you kept asking in my DMs, show us more action with the Quotex and Pocket Option at the same time. So today, let's do just that. I'm going to open two platforms at the same time on the one screen and trade on both in parallel. We will open trades one by one, compare the experience and see which one platform is better. I'll use my standard impulse sniper method with EMA, RSI and Bollinger Bands. Well, let's go! And hey, watch till the end. There are bonuses waiting for you there. Alright, like I said, two platforms, two windows, side by side. Guys, apologize for the visual setup, still figuring out now how to sync them perfectly. I'm not a streamer, unfortunately, yet. I'm a trader. And anyway, I will start trading 1 minute candles, maybe throw it to some 5-second scalps too. So left side, my demo account on Quotex, and right side is my real account on Pocket Options. Well, let's start with setup. EMA 8, RSI 14, and Bollinger Bands. Period 8, deviation 2. Both terminals settings the same. Now let's get started. We will start first from the Quotex, looking for impulse and 100 first. The same amount I will open on Pocket Option. It's different pairs, but at the same time the impulses work the same for me. It doesn't matter. Not looking good on Quotex by martingale, and I open also for 200 on Pocket Option because it was also the good input. I don't want to miss it. Our goal today is a massive profit. It's comparison, like just to see how to trade on the both terminals, what is the better setups. Anyway, looks like second trade on Quotex going well, and we already have a first plus on Pocket Option. Well, let's keep going. Let's say 1 and 2 on Pocket Options. Let me pick the pair. By the way, I personally find it easier to switch pairs on the left platform. On the right platform. On the left, I have a bit complicated interface on Quotex, but it's still good. It's still good platform. I can trade here. If I will trade here at least a couple of months, I think it will be perfect here, but just trading more on Pocket Option right now. That's it. Nothing special, just personal opinion. It just feels more familiar there. Well, I'm looking for another impulse, guys. You ready? Let's open. I open short for 250 on Quotex. By the way, open for 750 at the same time because this is the also good impulse and I don't feel good about the first one. Let's jump to Pocket Option. Let's see. Let's pick the pair with good entry point here. Just friendly reminder, we just need to see the touch of the candle to the line of Bollinger Band, a good signal. Oh, like here, even tail of the candle is okay for me. Also open short for 250. Here, what we see on Quotex. First, the minus 750, you waiting. Okay, let's switching to 5-second scalping, guys. It will be more fun. Let's just wait. The trade here on Pocket Option. Okay, let's see. But it's probably plus, yes. Well, scores are getting interesting. Let's go to $500 and 5 seconds. Because 1 minute, almost the same, maybe a bit more luck on Pocket Option. But I do love 5 seconds and I really want to try how it's gonna work here in parallel dual trading. Hopefully I will find a way, if you will like this video, I will find a way how to make the visual part better. Okay, I just opened minus on Pocket Option. And another one is plus. Let's do the Quotex. Quotex. I will open for 1,000. I will open for 1,000 here. We will open this 1,000 on both accounts, guys. On the both platforms. For sure. Minus on Quotex. Well, open for 2,000. Good. We covered the losses. Always good to feel this. Well, let's jump to Pocket Option. 500, 500, which is 1,000. Plus. Not bad. We're going well. Huh? I just prepared 1,000 trade on Pocket. And now we're going to Quotex again. Let's pick the pair. Let's just pick pair. 1,000. Minus 2,000, 3,000. Using martingale. Oof. Still not good. Looks like we need to go all in here. Let me go. Oh, yes. That's good. That's good. Real trading on demo account. Let me open for 2,000 now. Yes, and it's also profit. The method of impulse snipers work. Let's see. We pick this. Well, it's time to do the same experiment on Pocket Option. Let's trade hard here now for 1,000 minimum. But as you saw on Quotex, we invest about like 5 or 6,000. Well, it's good now to have the same experiment with Pocket Option. But this is my real account. I'm a bit scared. Well, it's not like I don't have more, but I'm a very disciplined trader, even when I trade on 5 seconds, guys. Well, 2,000, let's go. Minus painful, wow, painful, 4,000. Yes, good. Well, it was hard. I hope that you guys enjoy. What can I say? Both terminals good. I'm just more familiar with Pocket Option, as I say in previous video about this topic, as I feel that 5-second trading for me is more comfortable on Pocket Option. The Quotex is also good. It's also good for 1 minute, but 5 seconds I feel it's a bit slower. And also interface, well, but anyway, let's do a few more in the next video maybe. If you will enjoy this kind of content, we also can see there on other platforms and yeah, to make this kind of battle. Why not? But the method of impulse snipers, I'm satisfied how it's work here. Left platform is about 9,500, right platform more than 13,000. The result is on the screen. What can I say? Maybe it's just luck, but I feel it's just, I don't know what to say. I'm just more comfortable to trade on Pocket Option. You always need to choose, but always start with small amounts, is with demo, practice first, and after this, make your decision. Share your emotions in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. And I will do more like this. We can test other platforms, new strategies, or even go full on with 5-second scalping next time. By the way, I trade live every day in my Telegram channel with the real sessions and trade signals. There's also a V Club, the closed one, where we break down each trade and run private session daily. So if you want it, just message me. Also, need a deposit bonus? Message me and you will have up to 60% extra on your first deposit. Also, you can just use Dawit and you will have 50% on your first deposit. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to like this video. A special Halloween episode is coming soon, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.